In this guide, we'll walk you through how to configure a Signal reader with an NXP MIFARE DESFire credential with a programmed custom application using Linq On Premise. For this guide, we will be using an NXP MIFARE DESFire EV3 credential configured with both random UID and proximity check enabled. Note, this guide works on the assumption the user has prior understanding of the fundamentals of the NXP MIFARE credential technologies. Within Linq On Premise, open the Keystore tab and select your local keystore. Choose the MIFARE DESFire key type and input all your key values. Please note, the read key is mandatory and must be added for all MIFARE DESFire keys added. Please note, NXP MIFARE DESFire credentials with a custom application do not use the secure object. Let's create your configuration. Go to the Configuration tab and create Reader Configuration Template. As we are using keys stored within the Linq On Premise local key store, select the local option. You can copy an existing configuration or start afresh. In the Product Configurator, select the credential technologies our reader should support and click Add to Template. In the Keys section, toggle on Keystore Support and choose your keystore. To define how your custom application configuration has been programmed, select the Custom Programming Configuration option. In the pop-up, select your technology and populate the relevant fields based on the credentials configuration. Please note, a Signal reader can support 2 mapping slots for NXP MIFARE credentials. Once complete, save your custom programming configuration and add to template and select Next. Give your configuration a name and save it as a draft. To test, change the status to publishable and eventually to publish to lock. Click Apply to Reader, select your gateway, and choose the reader or readers.